Hi guys, welcome to my channel Jobs in India. Today we are going to see in Accenture Mass Bulk Hiring 2022 off-campus batch for third phase in this year. So don't miss this opportunity, otherwise you should wait for another 90 days. So let's go on to what are the details there and application forms, registration, full details we can see now. Associative software engineering role ASC shortly they can mention, experience 0 to 11 months, salary package 4.5 lakhs, job locations multiple location they are mentioned, so don't bother. Last date to apply not mentioned, so you just want to apply quickly as much you can. Suddenly they can close their registration form. Description, what are the role about Accenture, eligible criteria, all branches BE, MTech, MCA, MSc, CSIT only, 2020 passed out, full time education only. Note MBA PDM not allowed, not for MBA students. So no active blocks, no 1 year gap, same as for all IT sectors what they are mentioning. Candidate should not appear for Accenture recommend person interview person in last 3 months. So you should not attend any process in last 3 months on 90 days. Candidate should not more than 11 months of experience. So they should not be more than 11 months of experience for this freshers role. Candidate must be eligible to work in either by citizenship have relevant work permit document, so it should be in Indian only. In any state you can work for this, so you should have permanent residence in India. So this all the eligible criteria. What are the roles our team developing, designing, maintaining technologies that improve our clients, and you should speak with the clients for the roles and what they needed, ability to anticipate and resolve business issue and cliently they just want to know to work with their business, and what all the languages you know you can apply in your resume, what all the things you are applied they just mention in that role. What after selection testing automation engineering role is there, same as eligible criteria. So this is a mass bulk hiring, once you miss you should wait for another 6 months. So just apply now and you should see the application detail form fully. If you don't have any account, so you just have already account means give already account. I am not having account, so I don't have any account. So just wait a minute guys, I will give the link in description, so don't worry, you can apply now. I will explain every detailed things in fully. You just give your name John Aaron Smith. In each state you are having different variety names, father name front after, so you should not give like that. First your name, last name is your father name fully or initial. In between you are having large name you can give, otherwise leave it. Your photo should be white background while submitting to a document in Accenture form. Government ID you should provide, PAN card is must, it's mandatory. If you are not provided any one thing you cannot accept it by the Accenture company. Just a minute. This is the job description, you just read as before we seen. Where did you find this job? You just mention campus or Accenture F1 role, no problem. Your name, initial name, middle name, it's not. What all the things you should mention, the star is mandatory to fill the form. So last name, university registration number, mail ID, primary contact number, WhatsApp content. If you are given WhatsApp number to this role means whenever your application submitted you get a message from WhatsApp, and you may get a interview mail and exam mail, every things you may get it from WhatsApp message itself. So it's your wish, yes I am contents, I am not contents. So alternate mobile number, it's optional only. Your date of birth, the gender, what a residing state, you are from Tamil Nadu means Tamil Nadu, or you are from Andhra means Andhra, Bihar, Gujarat, all over India you can apply. What are the education type, UG or PG, it's only for UG. Your total number of experience, no experience are allowed to. Primary skills, what all the skills you know, C, ASP, Java, security, any skills you know you just mention it. Candidate detail preferred languages you know, what all the languages you know. Preferred location, you should give at least 3 location, so just to give nearer to a location. What all the location is good, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, these are all the main phase of Accenture, and you just give Pune. And education gap should be one year only. Standing blocks, this is your arrear. So many candidates don't know standing backlog means. What is the meaning for backlog means? It is your arrear, how many arrears you are having. So this is the mentioning as standing backlog. If it's 0 means 0 is there means you should mention. I worked in Accenture before full time. If you are worked means yes, or otherwise you give no. You have applied for assessment in last 3 months. If your appointments yes, otherwise give no. Select your nationality drop down. Are you Indian or non-Indian? Examination detail about your final semester. If you are completed yes, completed it's going means no. Upload your resume, photo with white background. Government proof ID I just mentioned, PAN you should not mention it, and another details and all. Their disability means if you have any disability in your body you just give yes or no, like that only. Afterwards you just want to give yes and agree the conditions, everything you should agree and submit it. You may get a OTP. After filling its OTP successfully your registration process. After filling this, the third phase is start the examination in August. So you just wait for another 30 days after filling this. Within the examination start, it will continuously process will go. So don't worry. I will give the link in description. Thanks for watching this channel. Share to your friends as much you can to create future in your life. Thank you once again, guys.